Hello students, good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the Instagram and Snapchat. I mean marketing strategies using Instagram and Snapchat. Under the DSMM, Digital and Social Media Marketing, we are going to learn about these two applications. Let us discuss about the Instagram. What is Instagram? Instagram is an instant photo sharing application mainly accessed from mobile devices. So generally, Instagram is an application which is particularly used for instant photo sharing, and most of the users can access this or use this application with the use of mobile. First of all, let us discuss about also what is meant by Instagram. How the Instagram is generated with the combination of two words. Particularly, it is a combination of two words: instant and camera. So, uh, Instagram like this. So, whatever photos we are going to share, which is instantly, then at that time this particular what we can say application is used. You just see or hear the meaning also in Hindi. Okay, so users can share both pictures and videos either publicly or privately via this app. So users can able to share both pictures and video. Also option will be publicly or privately via this app. Generally, business profiles are created for enhancing business growth, while individuals use it for sharing one's own experience with his or her followers. So, if we are using Instagram as for our business, then for our business profile, we can use it for our for the growth of our business. While if we are using the Instagram as an for our individual purpose, then to share our experience with our what we can say followers. How Instagram is benefit for business marketing. This photo sharing app is extremely effective for all forms of business. It has been noticed that per follower engagement rate of top brands Instagram posts is generally 4.21. So this is what the engagement rate of top brands Instagram posts. So we can say that out of 100, 4 to 5, at least 4 followers are get engaged with the brand, which is not there in other social media network, which is about 1.1 percentage only. So this is what the main benefit if we are using Instagram for our business purpose, for our growth of business is concerned. So this proves Instagram delivers 58 times more engagement per follower than Facebook and 120 times more engagement per follower than Twitter. So here we with compared to Facebook, 58 times more engagement per follower is there so far as Instagram is concerned with compared to Facebook, and with compared to Twitter it is 120 times more engagement per follower is there. So we just see that how Instagram is beneficial for our business marketing. Unique features of Instagram helpful for business marketing. There are number of features marketed by Instagram recently. Some are discussed below. So we just see over some of the features which are we get at the time of using the Instagram application. So first one is Instagram shop fronts. Instagram profile bio gives the opportunity to add a URL of the website, which can also be capitalized to make it more prominent. Why Instagram is more prominent than that of other media, other social media network? The one of the reason is that it gives the opportunity to add a URL of the websites. So keep this in your mind that this is the one of the best feature, and that is why it makes Instagram capitalized to make it more prominent. मीन्स ज़्यादा वो फेमस हो उसके लिए ये जो है उसका फीचर वो उसको क्या कहते हैं कि ज़्यादा पॉपुलर बनाता है. Earlier, this was the only call to action of any Instagram profile. So before that, if earlier when this feature was not available, is not available with Instagram, then it is only known for CTA of an call to action. Yes. Then next is Instagram ads. With the intention of increasing views, engagement, traffic flow, and high conversion rate, Instagram has introduced the ad facility through Facebook Ad Manager. So this is also one of the features that Instagram used, Instagram ads. And it means Instagram introduced the ad facility through Facebook Ad Manager. So we have already discussed about the Facebook Ad Manager, so you know very well about that. Then next is Instagram Analytics. So for any business, particularly, we can say analytics is very much necessary, because whatever we are using as a what we can say here, particularly in our digital and social media marketing, whatever different tools, different applications which we are using, or different social media networks which we are using, we need to analyze that way how we need to have analytics for that, analytics for what we have made the investment, what we have posted in this with the use of these different social media uh, networks or platform. So about the video, about the post, about the image we have said, message content we have said. So we need to make analysis that how much we get success by sending this different what we can say content or photo or image with the use of different uh, social media networks. So here particularly under the Instagram analytics, though Instagram doesn't have a unique analytics, उसका कुछ खुद का इनबिल्ट एनालिटिक्स, उसका खुद का कोई एनालिटिक्स नहीं है, मीन्स वो खुद प्रोवाइड नहीं करते एनालिसिस करके कि जो आपने वीडियो और इमेज पोस्ट किए, शेयर किया है, उसका क्या रिस्पॉन्स है, लाइक दिस. बट इट कैन ऑफर a detailed analysis with the support of third-party services like Sprout Social or Simply Measured. So these are what we can say third-party services that also makes it possible to analyze about the different posts we have posted through with the use of different what we can say applications. So Instagram analytics use such type of services, and by this way they provide us it provides us the detailed analytics. Then next is geo filters. It is also one of the unique feature of the Instagram. Instagram has introduced a unique feature, geo filter, where users can easily share their current location without specifying their explicit geographical location. So actually from where the user is not required to be specified, but currently where the user is able to specified by user. So this is what a unique feature which is offered by Instagram. Then next is currently this is available in selected places, but however it is a brilliant tool for business marketing. For business marketing, it is a brilliant tool. Then top strategies for Instagram business marketing. So which are the strategies if we follow, then what we can say it is the best for our Instagram business marketing. Focus on the unique qualities of your brand's audience. We are required to focus on the unique qualities of our brand's audience. जो ब्रांड्स हमारे जो ब्रांड के हिसाब से जो ऑडियंस है उसकी जो यूनिक क्वालिटीज है उस पर हमें फोकस करना है. Then second is tell a story with your caption. You can tell a story about the brand, about the company, about the product, and this is also one of the best strategy. So tell a story with your caption. Then run some contest. We can also running some contest through Instagram business marketing. So this is also one of the best or top strategy for Instagram business marketing. Then collaborate with popular influencers or micro influencers of your niche. So what here particularly collaborate with popular influencers or micro influencers. Generally we assume that the celebrities are the influencers, but it is not like that. Some what we can say common persons have also millions of followers. So here influencer is a person to whom what we can say many persons follow, who has what we can say large number of followers. So there are many general people that because of their post and contents, many what we can say users follow them. So what influencers or micro, here particular we can say micro influencers means the person to whom from 1000 to 1 lakh followers or users follow particular I can say, or who has 1000 to 1 lakh followers. So as per our specialities, whoever comes under that category, we can able to collaborate with them for Instagram business marketing. Take the support of the advertising platform also. So these are the top strategies for Instagram business marketing. I think you have got it. As per the statistics conducted across 475 plus globe campaigns, ad recall from sponsored spots on Instagram is 2.9 times, almost 3 times higher than Nielsen's norms for ऑनलाइन एडवर्टाइजिंग. जो ऑनलाइन एडवर्टाइजिंग के हिसाब से जो हमें रिकॉल एड रिकॉल हमें जनरेट कर पाते हैं खास करके स्पॉन्सर स्पॉट्स में, वो उस किसी भी कंपेयर में इंस्टाग्राम है वो 3 टाइम्स ज़्यादा है. So this is the statistics conducted across 475% global campaigns. इसके हिसाब से रिसर्च किया गया था तो उसमें ये रिजल्ट मिला है. तो हम देख सकते हैं कि कितना बेस्ट रिजल्ट हम अचीव कर सकते हैं विद द यूज ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम. So these strategies must be implemented to achieve the ultimate goal. So we can use this strategy to achieve the ultimate goal. Ultimate goal is to generate more sales. All businesses target to grab the attentions of their Instagram users through their posts and images. Users should be able to recognize your images instantly and engage in liking and commenting. So all businesses target to grab the attention. कोई भी बिजनेस है वो अटेंशन ग्रैब करने के लिए इंस्टाग्राम यूजर्स थ्रू पोस्ट और इमेजेस है वो देयर पोस्ट और इमेजेस थ्रू वो अटेंशन ग्रैब कर सकते हैं इंस्टाग्राम यूजर्स का, उसको अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं पर्टिकुलरली वी कैन से. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मीन्स यूजर्स शुड बी एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज our images and images instantly and engage in liking. They can not only recognize but also like and comment on them, and because of that this will be in turn help increase traffic flow. Because of this because of that we can able to achieve this objectives, means we can able to increase traffic flow, we can able to improve sales graph, we can able to enhance brand awareness, and we can able to increase branded hashtag mentions. So this is what all about the Instagram. I think you have got clear concept about this. These are the strategies and which objectives do we achieve with the use of Instagram business marketing. So next is about the what is Snapchat. A Snapchat is basically a fun messaging app that allows sending videos and pictures to your friends. So this is particularly here we are, however we just assume that both Snapchat and Instagram are same, but here particularly fun messaging is main feature. A fun messaging app. Its unique feature of self-destruct of shared elements has enhanced its popularity and craze among the youngsters. इसका एक यूनिक फीचर है स्नैपचैट का वो क्या है, सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्ट. इट मीन्स दैट वॉट एवर एलिमेंट्स, वॉट एवर what we can say images or videos we have said, it is automatically destructed, means removed from there after some times. Snapchat particularly we can say snap means त्वरित, तत्काल, मीन्स तात्कालिक जो होता है वो स्नैपचैट. तो तात्कालिक जो भी अभी हो रहा है उसके हिसाब से हम जो चैट करना चाहते हैं बराबर है वो हम कर सकते हैं with the use of Snapchat. Snapchat plays a vital role in forming global marketing strategies. Nowadays, more brands indulge in producing daily stories to engage and excite audiences. So nowadays, more and more brands are including, particularly we can say, in producing daily stories, so that they can able to engage and excite their audiences. So this is also one of the best app for our marketing purpose. How Snapchat is beneficial for business marketing? Snapchat is one of the fastest growing social networks with over 100 million daily active users and 400 million snaps per day. So we just see that what a huge network is there we can get with the use of Snapchat. 100 million daily active users and 400 million snaps per day. Stats revealed 71% of Snapchat users are within the age group of 18 to 34. और जो टोटल यूज कर रहे हैं स्नैपचैट का उसमें से 71% है वो किस एज ग्रुप में से है तो 18 टू 34. यस, ओके, इस एज ग्रुप में है. ऑल्दो टारगेट ऑडियंस में नॉट फॉल इन दिस कैटेगरी, यू शुड यूज स्नैपचैट for business marketing as it is effective in forming global marketing strategy. However, sometimes we think that our target audience is not from the age between 18 to 34, particularly because majority of the users, Snapchat users, comes under this category. But we should use Snapchat for business marketing as it is effective in forming global marketing strategies. Global marketing strategies फॉर्म डिज़ाइन करने के हिसाब से वो बहुत यूजफुल है, इसलिए इफेक्टिव है, असरकारक है, इसलिए हम उसका यूज कर सकते हैं. देन यूनिक फीचर्स ऑफ स्नैपचैट हेल्पफुल फॉर बिजनेस मार्केटिंग. दीज आर द यूनिक फीचर्स that unique features of Snapchat which are helpful for our business marketing purpose. First one, as we have already discussed, self-destruct of sad elements within few seconds after viewing them is the most unique features of Snapchat. As soon as whatever we have, what we can say, chat through our what we can say, image, photo, picture or video, once the receiver user see it, then as it is said, within few seconds it is automatically removed or deleted. So self-destruct of sad elements within few seconds after viewing them is the most unique feature of the Snapchat. There are many more features that are exclusively available in Snapchat, like other some features are there, they are exclusively available in Snapchat. So this will be discussed. Let us discuss one by one. Scores. A score will be rewarded under Snapchat in profile screen after equating all the number of snaps sent and received, stories posted and other activities done. A friend score can be viewed when a friend on your contact list posts in story feed और chat area. तो chat area की story feed में कुछ post करता है तभी ये score है वो count होता है, ऐसा हम कह सकते हैं. Then snap code. Snap codes are scannable codes. This can be used to add new friends. We can able to use new friends with the use of this snap code. Once you click on the ghost icon in the top of camera screen, you will find snap code in your profile screen. So how we can get snap codes is also mentioned over here, and with the use of this snap code we can able to add new friends. So this is also one of the unique feature of Snapchat. A snap streak. It is another unique feature of Snapchat that shows different emojis next to Snapchat names in the chat screen. Chat screen में उसके साथ साथ emojis different emojis दिखाते हैं, अलग अलग हम कहते हैं image, जो हम smiley face है या sad face है, इस तरह के जो अलग अलग जो faces है वो हम उसके साथ रख सकते हैं. So this denotes you have snapped with your friend within 24 hours for more than one consecutive day. Then lenses. It helps adding real-time special effects and sounds to snaps with lenses. So we can able to use this option, and by with the use of this option we can able to add real-time special effects and sounds. Then filters. Snapchat is known for its fun elements. It allows chasing up the snaps by adding a filter on it. However, while considering Snapchat and Instagram, you will find a unique feature named Geo Filter in Instagram to share in Instagram to share current location without specifying their explicit geographical location, but no such feature is available in Snapchat. So when we are comparing the Instagram and Snapchat, then we see that Instagram has unique feature geo filter, which is not there in the Snapchat. Top strategies for Snapchat business marketing. Snapchat is perfect for real-time social media marketing, and that is why, as I have already told you, Snap means Twarit, means at the time. So Snapchat is perfect for real-time social media marketing. So the strategies to be implemented for it should be critical and valuable. So it is, the strategies is very much important and valuable for us. So these are the strategies, means provide access to live events. Particularly we are required to make access of live events of our brands related or business related, any events are there. Events which are sponsored by us, events which we want to share with our what we can say with the Snapchat users. Deliver personalized content. We can able to deliver personalized content. This is also one of the strategy for Snapchat business marketing. Take people behind the curtain. Whatever nowadays most of times this type of strategy is used by the particularly we can say by the restaurant it is used, because restaurants wants to highlight that what type of quality ingredients or particularly we can say raw materials we use to make the final finished products, means any special vegetables or any types of what we can say food. Then we take the people behind the curtain, in the sense that we can able to highlight that this is what the particularly care is taken by us to make the product what we can say qualitative one. Then conduct contests. We can able to conduct contests with the use of Snapchat business marketing. Then interact with influencers. We can able to interact with our with the influencers to use the what you can say benefits of Snapchat business marketing. By applying this strategy we can get this. Key facts about the Instagram. So these are generally for our what we can say um, awareness, or what we can say for our general knowledge regarding the Instagram and Snapchats. So let us also go through it. Key facts about Instagram. On an average users spend at least 5 minutes per day on Instagram and Facebook. A study conducted by Simply Measured in 2013 found 59% of the world's top brands are now active on Instagram. 59% of the world's top brands are active on Instagram. In 2014, Reader's survey has noticed that 50% of the respondents favored Instagram over other social media platforms. So this is what the key facts about the Instagram. Now we are going to discuss about the key facts about the Snapchat. Snapchat allows, or Snapchat stories last only for 24 hours. So these are actually a thread of Snapchat used to create a video narrative. It has been noticed that there are over 1 billion views of Snapchat stories each day, and almost 60% viewers skip ads in Snapchat. वो भी हम देख रहे हैं कि टोटल व्यूज़ है वो 1 बिलियन के आसपास है, और 60% व्यूवर्स है वो स्किप एड्स है ना वो स्किप कर देते हैं, तो वो भी हमें ध्यान में रखना है. So this is what key facts about the Snapchat. The fact is that you can deny the specific contributions of each social media platforms to excel in business marketing. So we cannot deny the specific contribution. It means that every, what we can say, each social media has its unique feature and unique contribution. So we are required to use, or if we use properly or apply the proper strategy to use the different social media to get the different advantages or to achieve our objectives, then we can able to excel in business marketing. We can able to achieve our goals. So if you look into the bigger picture, you will be able to find that Instagram is a better platform to use hashtags and post pictures. For if we want to use hashtags and post pictures, then Instagram is best for us. While Snapchat apparently seems to be a non-professional platform, but has the maximum capacity to grab the attention of users in a funny way. So this is what all about the Instagram and Snapchat. I think you have got clear concept is. Thank you all.